C'est la vie. Je paie mes collants au fauteuil pliant. C'est la vie. Quand ça me fait pas rire, eh bien moi je chante. C'est la vie. Je vais m'éclater, rien de bien méchant. C'est la vie. Je suis tranquille et je brille et je brille. Je me prends pas la tête et moi je fais la fête. Tu me vois là danser, je vais en profiter.
Hello owls. It is currently like a time. Welcome back to my second video on the Temple channel. Thank you guys for having me. I thought today would be a really great day to show you a realistic day in my life as a sophomore at Temple University. This semester I'm taking 18 credits. Not all 18 have started because I have a 7B course, but it doesn't start until like mid-October. So right now I'm just taking the 5 of my 6 classes. But it's okay because I chose this. Here's the schedule breakdown. Like there's an 11 a.m. and then I have work, and then I have a 2 p.m. and then I have work, and then I'm done for the day. So it's actually like kind of a short day, but it is a very long day. I hope you guys can enjoy this video. We're starting off a little bit rough because I woke up later than I wanted to, but we're gonna make it out today. Luckily for me, I live in Temple Towers, which is like a short walk to Settlement, where all my classes are being held today, so I'm not stressed at all. Very fun fact about this whole video is that it was filmed last week. Yeah, I guess it's because I was setting up my phone, all the videos footage came out like, so I couldn't use it. Best of us. Last week's video was a busy day in the life. Today's a realistic because I feel like I want to give the full unfiltered version of being a Temple student because I love it here. Getting my keys. Another fun fact about Temple Towers is you need keys. Last year I had a card to get into my room at 1300s. That will not run this time. And now we are ready to go slay the day away. Let's go, child. Okay, I finally just got out of class. I'm going to check if my food is still at Panera, because I really want that sausage, egg, and cheese. Though I do have 15 credits per week, which is like honestly more than enough. Last year I had unlimited, but I changed it because I have a kitchen this year, and I wanted to force myself to cook. Okay, the Panera is in Pearson and McGonagall, which I've never had a class in here, so I can't tell you much about it, but it looks really nice. So if you're wondering what I am the communications and programming assistant for Temple Library social media. I actually love it here, it's so fun. Right now I'm working on this post for the library, which is like an info post about libraries. It's so cute, and I would show you, but it would ruin the surprise. So that's what I'm doing today. Basically just editing a bunch of photos that I took last week. And I'm only here till 1:30 because I have another class at 2. Also, like, look at my view. It's now 1:27, and that means that I'm done with this shift. It's good progress. So now I have to go to my next class. Lucky for me though, Settlement is still right by the library, so I'm not going too far. Okay, I finally just left class, but I'm actually so hungry. Really bad news. I did not know. I did my assignment wrong. I was supposed to turn, like, copy what my teacher did, and I didn't do that. So now I have to hashtag email them and hope that she doesn't take points. And it was already late, so. But anyway, I'm about to go to Chick-fil-A and get some food in the student center, which is right next to Tunnelman, and then go to work again. Okay, I'm in the break room, but plot twist, y'all. I went to the Chick-fil-A and it was a 31-minute wait. So I just came in, I clocked in, and I'll go back when the food's ready. So we're gonna go back to the street center and pick up my Chick-fil-A. The bell tower. Also, just so you know, this is Tunnelman where I have all my classes. That's the Howard Giddis Student Center with all the food. And the library is like back there. So everything is really close together to each other, and most of my days, literally all of my days from Monday to Friday, I'm going from Temple Towers, which is like back there behind that little tan building, to Tunnelman, to the library, and Tunnelman and back. And like, I just stay within those cohorts. I do love to stop at the tech center, which is like down that way, but I don't need to go there today. All right, that's where you go to pick up your Chick-fil-A. So the computer just turned off to update, so I have to wait 7 minutes, but it's okay. It means snack time. Okay, it got a bit chilly in here, so I put on a sweater, but it's 5:42, so I'm gonna start packing up and go into our break room. Okay, chat, sorry for the very loud fridge in the background. It's like a commercial grade fridge, but now I'm in our break room because the office is gonna close soon, so I just stay in the break room because it's always open. This is our break room. Very cutesy, very demure. And I'm just gonna finish up the last of my work. I only have like an hour left. Not even. Well, owls, it's been a day. I'm finally back home. It's been one of the longest days ever. I really hope that you guys enjoyed spending the day with me. Great time with you and showing you guys my, you know, day-to-day life. As I've said before, I'll say it all the time, I love Temple. This was like the right decision I ever made. I met some great people, had some great experiences, and great opportunities. So I'm super lucky to have gotten in and to continue my education here. It's been such a day. I can't wait to see you guys again soon. But for today, I'm done. See you later, owls.